Airdrop is rapidly developing towards their listing. Even though they are not officially signified right now, there's all indication that this Airdrop listing date is very close. What are those indications? Number one, the connecting of wallets have started, which I show you in my video last time. And secondly, there is a pre-market already, that is Unich, which is UN pre-market trading, is currently going on their official platform. I think you understand. And finally, there is another update released yesterday, which I think is worth sharing with you guys. We come to their Telegram page. As you can see right here, this is their Telegram page, and this news was released today, which says that Unich is now live on Bitget wallet. Okay, so guys, this is a very big news. So from here, it signifies that they are going to be listing on Bitget exchanges, and they are now live on Bitget wallet. Freedom farms with 5 million plus members can now access unich.com through the Bitget app. Okay, cash your freedom. Unich, the world's first billion volume OTC exchange, trusted by 5 million plus users. Okay, so guys, if we come to our Bitget wallet right now, as you can see, this is my Bitget wallet, and here you check the bottom, you are going to see this particular option here, which is discoveries. So you click on that discoveries and you search for unich.com. Okay, so let us quickly search for Unich. Alright guys, before you could finish, Unich will pop up, and that is it with that logo. You will click on it now and we accept to everything here, which is their terms and condition. You can see that Unich is now live on Bitget exchanges. And what does this mean is that you'll not be able to carry out all the activities on Unich through Bitget wallet. I think you understand. As you can see, it has successfully opened. You can carry out tradings and things like that. What are the other indications that Unich Airdrop is going to be listing in short period of time? Number one is their tokenomics released recently, which came out with 1 billion total supply. Okay, so their total supply is 1 billion. Now let us do little arithmetic expression about the price. But before we move on, if we click on trade now and we go to this session, let's click on trade. Alright guys, as you can see, this is trade. If we click on pre-market OTC here, you can see Unich is right now trading. So guys, as you can see from here, it is trading at the price of 0.74. okay, do you see it now? 0.74. This means that if we come back to our arithmetic expression here, so here's our calculator. Now let us do this little arithmetic here. If we multiply 700 million, if we divide 700 million by 1 billion, which is the total supply. Okay, so as you can see, this is 1 billion, and you can see the price given is 0.7. That means they are going to give us, probably, if the pre-market price is showing at the price of 0.7 USDT right now, it means that from that 100 billion total supply, the market cap is around 700 million. I think you understand, but this is not the listing price yet. The listing price will show up on the listing day. I think you understand now. So this is to show you that Unich Airdrop listing is closed, and you have to be engaged on the platform and make sure you perform all the activities. Okay, as you can see, we have some activities here, like if we come back to this place now, let us come to Airdrop. As you can see, this is Airdrop, and here a lot of tasks are here. As you can see them right now, you have to make sure you perform them and try as much as you can to refer people. If you have not joined this platform yet, if you have not joined Unich Airdrop, you have to check the description of this video. There's a link there. You have to join and start mining now before it is too late. So guys, that is it at the moment, and this is what I have for you. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.